Colombiano at Filipina. Nagkaroon ng anak mo German ng nationality. Paano? Ang asawa ko ay Colombiano at 20 years na siya dito sa Germany. Ang hawak niyang permit ay Niederlassungserlaubnis. Ako naman ay Filipina nurse dito sa Germany at 4 years na akong nagtatrabaho at naninirahan dito. Ang hawak kong permit ay Aufenthaltserlaubnis. The day of my baby's birth in hospital. The hospital needs our documents to process the birth certificate of our child. They will send it to registry office. Then the registry office will give us appointment and give us our child's birth certificate. Kung saang city ka nanganak, doon mo din aasikasuhin ang birth certificate ng anak mo. I will only enumerate what documents we gave to the station to process the birth certificate of our child. Sorgerechtserklärung for unmarried couple. Vaterschaftsanerkennung for unmarried couple. Copy of residence permit ID, front and back. Original birth certificate and Senomar or certificate of no marriage of both parents with apostille, legalization, and translation to German. Sorgerechtserklärung for unmarried couple or the declaration of parental custody. The father of the child need to obtain this document for emergency purposes that something happened to the mother. The father can decide for his child. Without this document, if emergency come, the government will take full custody of the child. Sa Germany, hindi automatic na hahayaang magdesisyon ang tatay, lalo na kung hindi naman sila kasal. Kailangan kumuha muna ng consent ang tatay na pwede siyang magdesisyon para sa kanyang anak pag nagka-emergency. Vaterschaftsanerkennung for unmarried couple or the acknowledgement of paternity. You as a father recognize that the baby is your own. Without this document, the father cannot have rights to his child, especially for emergency cases. Para sa mga hindi kasal, hindi magkakaroon ng karapatan ng lalaki hanggat wala siya ng dokumento na to, na inaako niya na sa kanya ang bata. Dito sa Germany, lahat dapat may dokumento at katibayan. Hindi puro salita lang. Copy of residence permit ID. Copy of both parents, Aufenthaltstitel ID, front and back. Original birth certificate and Senomar with apostille, legalization and translation to German. Both parties or parents must have this document on hand before the delivery of the child. Updated Senomar and apostilles. Napaka-importante ng dokumento na to dahil hindi nila magagawa ang birth certificate ng bata kung wala ang birth certificate ng parehong magulang. Dahil tinitignan nila ang pagkakakilanlan ng mga magulang ng bata. Lalo na at foreigner kami dito sa Germany, kaya dino-double check nila kung valid ang mga papeles namin. Remember, the list of documents are from my personal experience. Our own case scenario. My partner and I are both foreigner here in Germany. That's what the city registry office requested from us. Remember, my partner searched in Google if our child can become German citizen. We also personally asked the registry officer if it is possible. And she said yes. In our case and within the scope of German law of citizenship. Remember, it is not automatic that if you give birth here in Germany, your child will become German citizen. You have to ask to authorized officials. Since 2000, children born in Germany to foreign parents may acquire German citizenship at birth in accordance with the principle of jus soli. if at the time of birth, at least one of the child's parents have been lawfully residing in Germany for at least 5 years and has an unlimited right of residence. This means that in addition to the foreign citizenship of their parents, such children acquire German citizenship by virtue of their birth in Germany.